I'm Paul Terry. I'm a senior designer for Black Diamond Equipment. I've been looking for a new type of software for a long time, and Fusion seemed like a little bit of a new idea in the way software was going to be built and used. One thing that's important to me is that any software plays well with other softwares. We're still going to have legacy parts that I'm building around, and so those are going to be in those other softwares, and we'll probably never take them out until they're refreshed. Fusion's really good with that. The translators in the cloud are really useful. I like those a lot. I'm an industrial designer, and so I design things for human beings. Something like an ice tool is an extremely intimate object. The grip on the ice tool isn't like a grip on a drill. It's like if your hands get tired and your forearms pump out, you're in risk of falling. The ability for me to make things that really work well with people, the more you're going to like it, the more you're going to be attached to it, the more you're going to climb. All those things are connected.